Hi there, and welcome to Deel. Congratulations on your new role, and we're delighted to have you on board as an EOR in Hong Kong. We know that you may have many questions as you onboard with us, so in this short video, we will provide you with some country-specific information, including HKID, MPF, and tax IR56B form. If you are a resident, this may be obvious, but for those entering Hong Kong for the first time, we understand that the process may take a while. So please upload your Hong Kong ID appointment confirmation under the compliance document. Please do not upload identification from another country like this. We now arrive to Mandatory Provident Fund, also what we call MPF. You'll receive a separate email from Manulife to register for MPF on the first month that you receive your payroll. If you were onboarded on or before the 20th, you'll receive it the same month. Please note that you need to be registered within 60 days from your start date, so there's no rush, but please ensure that you complete it on time. Now let's move on to the last topic, which is tax IR56B. The financial year in Hong Kong is from April to March, and you'll receive your IR56B form by mid-April or earlier to file your taxes. If you are married, please input your spouse's details when submitting your employment agreement details so that it is included in your tax form. It is also your responsibility to keep your information updated, including your address, in case of any changes along the way. We're glad you've made it to the end of the video. Thank you for your attention, and we hope that you now have a clear understanding of how to smoothly navigate through your onboarding process.